about how can you enable order updates notifications on your DoorDash app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, just go down here, click on me down here. When you just click here on me here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on settings. So when you just click here on settings, so then it's going to take you to this list. You just scrolling down here until you will find here notifications. You just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on order updates. So then here you will find order updates. You click here on push in this sign, and here for app, then here for SMS, then it's going to enable with you. You click here on down, then it's going to enable with you here order updates notifications. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.